Hello, guys. I stayed in Seef. As you all know this by now, you've seen my previous video. If you haven't, then please do check that out from the description box below. So, I stayed at Al Seef Hilton Hotel. This is an absolutely beautiful place to be in. The moment I walked into this area, I realized this is not just another hotel, but this is an entire shopping, eating, locality in itself. Everything is there just inside, and there are so many rooms, so many different buildings, so many different places to explore, eateries, shopping, galleries, museums. Everything is there inside. You just don't feel like leaving this place at all. So today, let me take you on a walking tour inside Al Seef and show you what all is there. Walk with me. By the way, while I was walking towards my room, I went outside to buy some food and stuff. And then when I came back, I got lost. I literally got lost inside, and it was, I think, around midnight or somewhere around 11:30 p.m. And all the shops here close by 10, no, 10:30, 11ish. So most of those shops were closed, and as you can see, there are hardly any people around. And that made it even more difficult for me to find out where exactly is my room, because as I already told you, this place is huge and has a lot of different buildings, and your room can be basically anywhere. And there are just so many lanes, so many shops, so many areas that you can get into. So it took me at least an hour to find out where I have to go. I also asked a few people, but they were also not aware. So I kind of got lost in the maze. But eventually, what I did was I realized that when I first came into the hotel to check in, that time I was making a video. Okay, so that was when I was time entering in the hotel and all of that. I just captured all of that in my phone. So that is when I just clicked and I should go back to that video and see where exactly did I go, and which was the building that I turned into, and how did we reach there and all of that. So we might get a couple of clues on which shop was nearby, from where did I take a turn, where do I have to go and all of that. I knew the room number, but I don't know from where do I reach there. So then I went back to that video, and that is when I realized, okay, this shop was nearby, and then I figured out where that shop was, and then it was easy from there. So my video or my vlogs actually saved me this time. Otherwise, I would have to go back to the reception area, which is a different corner altogether, and then take one of those people and then come back to the room. Oh my god, it would have been a complete mess. But thankfully, after a lot of back and forth, I could get back to the room. The first few, one or two times are difficult, but once you get the hang of it, then you know where to go. So, yeah, enjoy the tour. Hello. all closed. All closed. Closed.
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.